Hey everybody, what up? So NVIDIA dropped 17% today, and everybody's freaking out. And the reason why, right, is because we're in a big AI. I don't know if you'd call it a hype train, but everything is AI, right? Everything is there's a language model for pretty much everything. There's AI integrated into it feels like everything, and OpenAI is obviously one of the companies that is capitalized on that quite a bit. So today, though, this company DeepSeek that's out of China has announced that they can actually basically do what OpenAI is doing, and they could do it at a 99% discount. And on top of all that, they're just offering their code for free as open source. So anybody that wants to download and run these models, they can go ahead and do that. At least that's the theory here. So what I'm going to do is just quickly jump into how that can happen. So this project Ollama is something that you can download and install to your computer. Works on Mac, Windows, or Linux. And once you have it installed, you just have to open up the command terminal. And you can see I ran this command just to save time. Ollama run DeepSeek R1. And this is this 14B, which, you know, depending on what's really, I have a 4080 on this machine that I'm running this on. But depending on your graphics card, you probably... there's different levels of what you can run here, but 14 is pretty high. So unless you have probably a 4080 or at least a 3090, I probably would go with a smaller version. So right off the bat, this is running DeepSeek's model with Ollama, and we're just going to go ahead and send it a message. And how many R's are in strawberry? So apparently a lot of LLMs struggle with this question because they're like the phrase or whatever you're asking is broken down into tokens. So here you can see it's actually thinking. I thought this would be a little faster, but maybe I'm pushing the limits of what a 4080 can do. I mean, this is acceptable to me, but I did think it was going to be a little faster. This thing's doing quite a bit of thinking here. I like how it's telling you what it's doing, though. So again, LLMs actually struggle with this because they'll break down basically every letter, and they're guessing the next right word, or so they're breaking down every letter into different tokens, and the whole LLM model is guessing the next token. So through massive iterations, you can map together phrases and understanding just based on repetition, really. So I'm not an AI expert at all, but the reason why it struggles, though, is breaking that down into different tokens. And in this case, it was able to... So there are 2 R's in the word strawberry. No, that's wrong. So that sucks. So anyway, it didn't even get that right. So that's, again, one where it does fall or fail a lot. So there's obviously 3 R's in strawberry, and it says that there's only 2. All right, so let's go ahead and move on from there. There's this open WebUI project that's actually built on top of Ollama that you can run, and you just need Docker desktop in order to run this. There's a Docker command down here, so it says quick start with Docker. If Ollama is on your computer, which it is, I can just copy this command. I'll go back over to my terminal, and I'm going to run this Docker command. All right, so now that it's done installing, if you go over to Docker Desktop, you're going to go ahead and see this open web UI. And you do want to actually wait a few minutes, because if you first click on this link, it may not actually be set up, even though it looks like it's running. But if I go ahead and click on this, then it's going to take me to this localhost address, localhost 3000/auth. And I have the option of getting started here. I can put in my name. And you do have to set up your username and password so you can log in to your account, and you create an admin account by default. Another thing, if you want to see if Ollama is running, if you go to localhost and then port 11434, this is the default port that Ollama runs on, and you can see that that is running there. All right, cool. So I just created my username and password for my admin account, and you can go ahead and see everything that's new here. So, okay, let's go. And then this looks very similar to ChatGPT, obviously. Up here on the top left is our model. So we can actually run multiple LLMs from Ollama. And in this case, I'm running DeepSeek R1 14B. All right, so here, let's go ahead and just ask a coding question. So I'll say in JavaScript, I don't care about the capitalization, calculate the sum of odd numbers greater than 10 and less than 30. And again, I expected this thing to be a little quicker. Maybe I should have started with something a little bit simpler. All right, so that was like a solid minute. I had the video paused, but it's now thinking after a solid minute. All right, here it goes. Damn, so I didn't think that looked right, and it's actually not right. So if I go over to the console, then I'm going to paste that in. So let's, and number one, it should be going up to 30, but that doesn't really matter. Either way, it's like, yeah, you can see the value is 200. So this isn't even accurate. So let's see if it learns. I'll say that is not accurate. It should be 200. All right, so it sat there and thought for like a minute, and then it just spit this out. All right, well, that was a failure. Okay, so tell a joke. So while this thing's spinning and taking forever, I mean, you might be asking yourself, well, why go through all this effort? And the reason why you would do that is because everybody's paying a bunch of money for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is obviously harvesting your data. You're the product. Their product's getting better and better based on the information that you're feeding it. God knows what they're doing with that information, similar to Google. So if you're able to run this locally, you're not communicating outside with the outside world. And as this thing continues to learn and you train it on different data sets and such, you'll be able to contain that yourself. So that's the benefit of being able to do this locally. Clearly, on my beefed up Windows machine, this thing is going pretty slow, and I'm not 100% sure why that is. I mean, I do have, like I said, a 4080. There's 64 gigabyte of RAM. It's a SSD hard drive. Internet is on like top of the line FiOS. So I'm not really sure why this is so slow. And the internet shouldn't even matter, obviously, because you're not even communicating across the web here. So I told it to tell me a joke, and then it's yeah, so I don't know. It just spits this out, so that's not very helpful at all. Clearly, we need to get into a different conversation here. So I'll do a new chat. Tell a dad joke. So this was much faster. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. That's not a dad joke. All right, so after a lot of time of thinking, this thing finally spit this out. Wow, so this is actually like strikingly bad. I wouldn't be able to use this for anything because it's too slow and it's too inaccurate. It can't even do simple tasks. I don't get it. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. I don't get it though.